Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I have a confession. This is take 2, okay? I don't know. I was talking to myself. I was halfway through the video when I noticed that that I wasn't recording. So we're going to do this over. So my package is already opened. I have not seen the entire thing because that's when I noticed that it was not recording. So this today comes from Julia Scaberas. Julia, oh my gosh, thank you so much for including me. I sincerely appreciate it. And here are the packages that Julia has sent. My package was wrapped in tissue and it had the same twine, wrapping my package. And she's got these beautiful sand dollar tags. And it does say Summer Brag Book handmade by Julia Scaberas, hosted by Anna Rodriguez, 721, for swap partner Sissy Pants Crafts, Stephanie Moore. So she has included, this one's for Dana and this one's for Sissy Pants. But this is so pretty, guys. Wait till you see your packages. These are beautiful. And look, I just love the way she included the blue paper to make it look, more summerish, if you will, beachy almost. And oh my gosh, guys, these are beautiful. You're gonna love them, ladies. I'm going to show you, here's my tag. And just so you see, hosted by Anna Rodriguez for Anna. So this one was mine. And this is such a great idea on the sand dollar as a tag. That's great. I just love that. And then I need to show you what she has included here. She has included this gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful chain with dangles on it. And I want you to see that gorgeous bead right there. Look at this one with the beautiful swirls on it. There's a gold one. Here is a starfish with bling in the center. I love that. And then here's another one with the swirls. Another one of these beads. And then here is the seahorse. A beautiful pearl, very fitting. Here is a shell, very pretty, and this is another beautiful swirled charm. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And it matches her theme just perfectly. And then she did put it on. It was hanging on here. She secured it very well. It's got a seahorse right here and a little fish. This is a cardboard so that it would stay on there and not bend. Very, very nice. And then she sent some bling and she backed the bling up on this beautiful image that is so pretty. I have to show you how pretty that is. And I have to show you one more thing after that. And then she put this cute little twine bow on the top. There's the bling. And then here is my mermaid. So let me show you my mermaid. And if you'll notice, I've got my mermaid nails on, my thumbs. So they match perfectly. Little did she know I was going to have mermaid polish on. Very, very pretty. I just love this image with the seahorses on the back. Very sturdy. I appreciate that. Thank you so much, Julia. And then she sent a card that is made with the same paper as the mini album because she included a mini album with mine, guys. I'm sure your brag book is just gorgeous, but she included a mini album. Oh my gosh, Julia, thank you so much. I love it. So here's her card, and her note says, I'm so glad you hosted the swap. I have so many cute summer papers. It is great to be able to use them and swap with new crafters. Enjoy, Julia. And then the inside has a mat for writing. And then here's the outside. This image is matted like 3 different times, or with 3 different papers. Beautiful paper, background paper that matches the mini album. She's got some enamel dots here. And then she has put a stripe going down on the left side. Very pretty, handmade by Julia Scaberas. I think I'm going to use this in the mini album as a, you know, a journaling spot. I'm going to put it in the album. It's so pretty. I don't want to separate them. So for the album, she did use this beautiful orange ribbon. And it's got a, I think, 2.5 inch spine, and that's so pretty. And this is the back, and it does say handmade by Julia Scaberas. Very pretty. Oh my gosh, Julia, thank you so much. So let me move this out of the way a little bit. And let's go through her mini album. So opening her mini album, this is the front page. She's got 3 signatures in here. This little flap opens this way, and it shows a pocket on this side along with a picture mat. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I just love it. So that tucks right in there. And then on this side, she's got a couple of pockets, and look what's in here, guys. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. The sand dollar cutouts. How pretty. Oh my gosh, I just love those sand dollars. I really do. And here's another one. Great journaling spots. And then this flap opens up, and plenty of room for photographs right there. And then turning the page, this is still the first signature. She's got a pocket right there. And look at this, guys. It is a notepad for journaling. Oh my gosh, I just love that. Julia, thank you so much. This is so pretty. I love that little girl. She is adorable. And the natural color here is just perfect for this album. So this tucks right back in there. And you know what? I'm going to tuck it in this way because I want to see that pretty little girl right there. Look at that. Oh, she's adorable. And then this page holds photos as well. And then this page has another tuck spot, or I'm sorry, another pocket. And here is a photo mat. Very pretty. Beautiful corners here. And that tucks right in there. And then here is the next signature. And it looks like it repeats. Here's another pocket. Oh, these gorgeous sand dollars. And then it opens up this way, and we flip it over. Oh, she's got another one in here, guys. Oh, wow. Wow, Julia, thank you. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow. I love it. I can't believe you put 2 of them in here. How pretty is that, guys? Oh my gosh. And then pictures right there. And then right here, she's got another mat. Oh my gosh, I just love that. I just love the way the twine looks. It's just perfect. So that was the second signature right here. And then on the last one, again, it repeats this way with the big tag right there. This is so pretty. I love it. And then again with the sand dollars, guys, I can't wait to fill this up with summer pictures, seriously. And then it opens up this way. And then, oh my gosh, yet another one. Oh my goodness, I love it, Julia. This is wonderful. Thank you so much. She has hers, she had them in like this, which is great. I'll leave this one like that. I just think that the images on the front of the notepads are so pretty that I kind of want to put them in this way. So I'll leave this one this way to remind me that that's how she had it. And then the last page right here. Oh, what's this? And then she's got the mat right there that tucks right back in that way. Oh, you are such a sweetheart, Julia. She included photo corners. I love that. She included some tags, some seahorses, and the starfish, and an image. Oh my gosh. She included these guys so that I can put them wherever I want to put them. And I love it. Because I was already thinking, okay, I'm going to embellish this a little bit. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love them. Thank you, Julia. Oh my gosh. You are on top of it, lady. I love it. So yeah, she included that, guys, and she couldn't have made me any happier. And then this is the back page. Oh my gosh, guys, I am so super duper excited about this. She's got her ticket, handmade by Julia Scaberas, and I love it. I can't wait to use it, guys. I'll have to show you what if I add anything to it. I'm going to show you what I added to it, and so you can see what it looks like, you know, with the other pieces on there and whatnot. I just love it. Oh my gosh, Julia, thank you so much. I am going to incorporate this onto the mini album. Just, it is so pretty. I just can't not use it on the mini album, and I will treasure it forever and ever. Julia, thank you so much. I appreciate you playing along, and thank you so much for including me. I appreciate it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.